Welcome back to Frontline News. I'm Kodian Barrett. It's now time for Frontline Business. Following the ban on conch fishes, concerns are being raised about assertions that licensed industrial fishers are the main cause for the depletion of the island's conch supply. More from Shashali Hamilton.
Against the background of the ban to be imposed by the government, General Manager of Rainforest Seafoods, Jerome Miles, highlights some concerns.
I was a bit disturbed by the declaration by that was attributed to Mr. Kong, saying that the major issue with the depletion of the Kong had to do with licensed industrial fishers overfishing. And again, I want to say this: if that is the case, licensed industrial fishers are known people. These are not small people. The requirements to get a Kong quota are significant.
Mr. Miles says the claim sends the wrong signal about his organization, which he says employs strict adherence to the fishing quota.
I think that is the case, and Mr. Kong has said it, or is reported to have said it publicly, and he should enforce against these people. Or, as he would tell you, he doesn't have the resources to enforce. He should get the powers that the people who have the power to enforce it, rather than casting these kind of aspersions against companies like Rainforest who follow the rules and participate in the industry in the best interest of growing the blue economy and the economy in general.
The ban on the harvesting and exporting of conch will be from March 1 to January 31, 2020. It is aimed at replenishing the depleted conch population. Shashali Hamilton, Frontline Business.
iCreate listed its shares on the Jamaica Stock Exchange junior market on Monday. This increased to 38 the number of listed companies on the junior market. iCreate raised $70 million and added 819 new shareholders to its register. The listing is the first educational company on the stock exchange. Mayberry Investments has invited all brokers in Jamaica to participate in the Wigton Wind Farm initial public offering IPO by becoming selling agents to the public. The highly anticipated IPO is expected to be listed on the Jamaica Stock Exchange by April. Director of Investment Banking at Mayberry, Tanya Waldron-Gooden, disclosed that the move by Mayberry to invite all brokers to become selling agents for the IPO was driven by the mandate outlined by the government to share benefits from government divestments with all Jamaicans. In keeping with this mandate, the entire deal team, including representatives from the Development Bank of Jamaica, the Petroleum Corporation of Jamaica, and Mayberry Investments, has embarked upon a national effort to attract a wide cross-section of the public to take advantage of the opportunity to take up ownership in Wigton. In Tuesday's trading session, the JSE Combined Index advanced by 378 points to close at over 390,000. Overall market activity resulted from trading in 63 stocks, of which 20 advanced, 34 declined, and 9 traded firm. The junior market index advanced by 12 points to close at 3,179. Stocks advanced for Caribbean Cement, Consolidated Bakeries, Dermont Trading, Everything Fresh, and General Accident Insurance. Stocks declined for AMG Packaging and Paper, Barita Investments, Blue Power Group, Caribbean Cream, and Carreras Limited. Trading firm were Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, Caribbean Producers, Dermont Trading Company, Fontana Limited, and G-West Corporation. Wisynco Group was the volume leader with over 1.9 million units, followed by Carreras Limited with over 1.1 million units and Lasco Distributors Limited with just over 1 million units. And in news in oil futures steadied on Tuesday on signs that OPEC plans to maintain production cuts despite pressure from U.S. President Donald Trump, whose comment criticizing rising crude prices sent the market into a tailspin a day earlier. Brent crude futures, the global benchmark, rose 67 cents to $65.43 a barrel, or 1%. U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude futures were up 36 cents to $55.84 a barrel. And that's it for Frontline Business. I'm Kodian Barrett. Pleasant viewing.